Good evening, Chi. How are you?
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
Good. And you?
Wow. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, I'm very fine. Okay, where did you go? Where did you go, Chi?
I go to. I went the to my aunt's home.
Wow. You went to your aunt home with your mother? With your mother or your family? You went with your...
Noisily,
Okay.
beautifully, happily.
Slowly.
Okay. Okay, so much for that, Chi. We will have here the new words. Okay. We already be here in lesson 3. You remember, we are under lesson 3. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. First, can you read this one?
Noisily,
Next.
beautifully,
Beautifully. Next.
quietly,
Quietly. Next.
quickly,
Next.
happily,
Next.
slowly.
Okay, very good. So all of these, Chi, they are adverb. Okay, they are adverb. You can see that there is ly, 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 and ly. Okay, there are ly. Okay, now look at this one. We have here in the grammar. What is an adverb? Adverbal functions, rules of adverbs, and adverb exercise. First, what is an adverb? We have here. Teacher Ann already told you about this before. Okay, look at this. An adverb, can you read it, Chi?
An adverb is a word that this is
Used
to check or
qualify. Qualify.
qualifies the meaning of an
Adjective,
adjective,
a verb,
adverb, and clause
clause, another
across another adverb
adverb, or
or
any
any
other
other
type of
type of word or phrase
phrase
with
with
the
exceptions
exception
of
of
determiners
determiners and
and adjectives
adjectives that
that are directly modified.
that directly modify.
Okay, very good. So we have here. So we have here Chi. Okay, here. So this is a word that is used to change or qualify the meaning of adjective, adverb, clause, another adverb. Okay, we have here. So what are the adverbal functions? Okay, look at this. Okay, here. First, when. Adverb answer the questions when. Again, adverb answer the questions when. Okay, when. Look at example number 1. She always arrives early. When she always arrives, she
Early,
early. Okay. She arrives early always. When she arrives early, always. She arrives early always, always. So that is when is time. Okay. When is this is time. Okay, next. Next, Ahachi. How? Okay. Another it answer the question how. He drives carefully. The adverb here, Chi, is carefully.
Carefully.
Yeah. How he drives? He drives.
He drives carefully.
Very good. He drives carefully. How he drives? He drives carefully. Very good, Chi. Yay. Okay. The adverbs here, Chi, is carefully. Okay. Next, this is adverb of manner. Okay. Teacher will write here. This is what we call the adverb of manner. Okay, this is the adverb of manner. Next, adverb of place. Place, it's where. Place. Adverb of place, it's where, teacher. Okay, where. They go together. Where did they go? They go where? They go. What's the answer for number?
They go everywhere together.
Okay, together they go everywhere. So the adverb here is everywhere. This is the adverb of place. Okay, again, this is the adverb of place. They go everywhere together. Okay, okay, you understand,
Yeah.
Chi? Okay,
Yeah.
so everywhere is the adverb of place. Okay, okay, Chi? Okay. None another. In what way? Okay. In what way? She eats. In what way? She
Slowly.
eats slowly, teacher Anne. She eats slowly. Very good. Now, to what extent? To what extent? It is, look up here. It is terribly hot. It is hot. Terribly hot. It means very hot. It is terribly hot. Okay. How hot it is, Chi? The adverb here is terribly. Okay? Okay, Chi?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So we have 5 functions. First is the time. She always, example of time, I will tell here. Okay. She go to the beach sometimes. Okay. Sometimes, okay, when I say she goes to the beach sometimes. Okay. Okay, first here, the adverb here is, okay, my God, I cannot do it. Okay. The adverb here, she goes to the beach sometimes. The adverb here is sometimes. It's adverb of time. Okay. She goes to the beach sometimes. Okay. The adverb of place, okay, she goes to the beach sometimes. The adverb of time here is sometime. Okay, Chi, do you understand, teacher? You understand? Yeah. Okay, very good. Here, how? Okay, I will make a sentence. Okay, look at this one. She talk silently. How she talk? How?
She
Talk silently. Talks. She talks silently. How she talks? Silent.
Silently.
Lee. Okay, very good. Chi talks silently. So, how Chi talks? How Chi?
Silently.
Silently. Okay. Next. Chi talks silently. How Chi talks? Chi talks silently. Okay? You understand, Chi? You understand,
Yeah.
teacher? Okay, very good. Next. Okay, place. I will make another sentence here. Okay. I will go somewhere tonight. What is the adverb of place? Look at the sentence. Look at the sentence sheet. I will go somewhere tonight. What is the adverb of place?
Somewhere.
Very good, Chi. Yes, exactly, Chi. It's somewhere. Okay. I will go somewhere. This is the adverb of place. Okay. It's the adverb of place. Somewhere. Okay. Do you understand? You understand, Chi?
Yeah.
Hey. Next. Another. Okay. In what way? Okay. Teacher will make a sentence. Okay. John runs patiently. In what way that John runs? John runs patiently. It's patiently. Okay. Next. To what extent? Okay. Here another sentence. Okay. Can the eyes? Okay. Okay. Can you read it one? The eye.
The ice is extremely cold.
Extremely. Extremely. Again.
Extremely.
Very good, Chi. Yeah. The ice is extremely cold. Okay. Extremely cold. The ice is extremely cold. Very good. What is, to what extent? What is the adverb there?
Extremely.
Very good. Exactly, Chi. Extremely is the adverb. Okay. The ice is what? Extremely cold. Very, very cold. Do you understand, Chi? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Yay. Now, let's move here. Okay. Rules for using the adverbs we have here. Okay. First, we have rules for using the adverb. Here. So, modifying the verbs. Okay. The dog ran. Okay. Look at this one. The dog. First rules for using adverbs. Look at this one. Okay, I will write here. The dog ran. Okay. Look at here how you will modify a verb. The dog ran excitedly. So it modify the word run. Okay. How the dog ran? Chi? How the dog ran? The dog ran?
The dog ran excitedly.
Very good. So the dog ran excitedly. So this word, the adverb excitedly, modify the verb run. Run is the verb run. It's an action word. It runs. Do you understand? Do you
Yes.
understand, teacher? Okay, very good. Okay, here. So the dog ran excitedly. Okay, excitedly run. Okay, now another. It identify adverb in sentence through the ly. Okay, it identify the adverbs in sentences through the letter ly at the end of the words. Many exceptions, everywhere, where. Mostly, if it's adverb of manner, there is ly, like softly, excitedly, okay, patiently, okay, here. Verbs with ly. Silently, what else? Give me adverbs with ly. Teacher, softly. Move another chi. Give me another example of verb with ly. What's it? Go chi, go chi. That is
Slowly.
okay. Slowly. Very good. What else?
Excitedly.
Excitedly, teacher. Very good. What else?
Happily.
Happily. Of course. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. One more. What else?
Friendly.
Okay. Happily, excitedly, slowly, softly, silently. What is? What else?
Friendly.
Friendly. Yes. Ah. No. Friendly is an adjective. Okay, what else? Adjective with ly. Slowly, silent. I need one more. Softly, excitedly, happily. How about angry? How, how about angry? Gochi. It's angry. Angrily. Ah, what? Okay, can you give me another? You want another? Or it's okay? Or it's okay? Or you want one more?
Extremely.
Oh, yeah, very good. Extremely, yes. Extremely. Very good, Chi. So you understand now? You understand now?
Good.
Okay, very good, Chi. Okay, so all mostly of the adverbs, it ends with ly. Okay? It ends with
Yes.
ly, teacher. Okay, here. Look at this one. Modifying an adjective and intensify the meaning it conveys. He plays tennis well. He plays tennis well. Okay. He plays tennis well. Okay. Extremely. He plays tennis well. Okay. Modify an adjective and intensify the meaning it conveys. He plays tennis well. Okay. Look at this one. It modifies the adjective. Look at this one. He plays tennis. Okay. Sorry. He plays. Okay. The adjective here, she is well. Okay. He plays tennis extremely well. It modifies the adjective well. It modifies the adjective well. He plays tennis extremely well. Where is the adverb there? The adverb is in sentence.
Well.
Oh, yeah, very. Oh, adverb well? Are you sure it's well? The adverb. The adverb is ex.
Extremely.
Yeah, it's extremely. Well is the adjective. Well means it's great. It's good, right? When we say well, I say, hi, Chi, how are you today? I'm well. I'm good. I'm great. They are the same. So, well is adjective. Okay. But the adverb here is extremely.
Extremely.
Yeah, it's extremely, teacher Anne. Okay, you understand now?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly, teacher. I understand. Okay, here. Okay, look at this one. We have here the adverb exercises. Okay, look at this one. Okay, can you tell me what is the correct word for this? Okay, can you read? The driver
The driver stopped the bus
financially, exactly, abruptly, or now. Okay, what's the correct thing?
I think I
Okay, yes. The driver stopped the bus financially, it is money, exactly or abruptly.
I think I
Okay, it's letter A. Are you sure it's letter A? Okay, so I will help you. Can teacher help you? She? You want teacher Anne to help you? Okay, maybe the answer is letter C. It's abruptly. Abrupt means fast, stop without break, took, like that. Okay, when we say financially, it's money. Okay, when we say exactly, real time. When we say abrupt, it means fast. Do you understand?
yeah.
Yay, next here. Okay, look at this one. Can you read and please think the answer?
Và áo tôi như tay siết chặt, như tay khiêng, vô cần tay lắm từ mé chữ em viết tên đều nặng theo trang và during autumn, cow leaves can be seen fairly everywhere.
Okay, during autumn, colorful leaves can be seen falling where? Falling? What's your answer? Letter?
I.
Letter A. Oh, where is it? Letter C, gently. But you can also answer everywhere. Okay. Its leaves can be seen falling everywhere. So you can use letter A. That's also correct, letter A. But it's also correct, letter C, gently. The leaves fall gently. What do you mean by gently? Gently means slowly. Okay. Gently and slowly, the same. Okay, Chi?
Yes.
But your answer is correct also. Next. Okay, can you read it? Can you read it?
My grandmother always smiled.
My grandmother always smiled. What's the answer?
Left.
What's the answer? Okay, look at teacher. It's cheerfully. Cheerfully, it's happily. Cheerful and happy, the same. Okay, my
Yes.
grandmother always smiled cheerfully.
Carefully.
Not sadly, not never, and not yesterday. It's cheerfully, very happy. Okay. Letter A. Next. After the party, confetti was thrown. You know what is confetti? Confetti, the one. It's different colors, like that. It's in the party. It will be thrown everywhere. What's your answer?
D.
Okay. The confetti, okay, was thrown carefully. Letter D, let's see. Letter B, everywhere. So when you put a confetti, when you throw, I will throw the confetti. It's everywhere. Okay, you understand? You understand, Chi? You
Yeah.
understand, teacher? Okay. Okay, here. You have to complete the sentence. You answer, write your answers here. Please write your answer on the computer, okay? Right? You
Yeah.
read and write your answer in the computer. Go, Chi. You can do it.
Hung. Hurry up. You always walk so slowly.
Oh, so what's the answer?
Slowly.
Slowly. Okay. Next. Number 2. What's the answer for number 2?
You play the guitar very,
What's the other term for good? You play the guitar very,
very well.
very good. Number 3. What's your answer for number 3? So,
So go up.
what you will add with late? woke up blank late this morning. What will you add? Okay, what will you add? Late. She woke up late. You will add late. Add late. Late.
Late.
Softly. Slowly. What else?
Softly.
Okay, what's this? Late. Late. What will you add with late? Late. You put? You put L.
Slowly.
Slowly. You lately. Number 4, what's your answer? I could blank understand anything she said. She spoke too fast. What is hard? You will add, what will you add? Here in number 3, you add ly, lately. How about number 4? What will you add?
Hardly.
Hardly. Very good. Let's see your answer. Then, okay, number 1, slowly. Check. Number 2, well. Very good. Number 3, what's the answer? Late. Lately. Number 4, what's the answer, Chi? Hard.
Hardly.
Yeah. You understand this, Chi? You understand? Hello. Hello. Is that your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? You're 9? 9? Your brother is handsome, like she, which is very beautiful. Hi, good evening. Oh, you want to sleep now? You want to climb to your bed? You want to sleep? You want to sleep, brother? You want to sleep now? You want to sleep? Good evening. What's the name, Chi? What's the name of your brother?
His name is Love.
Love.
Yes.
Hi, Love. Good evening. How are you? Hello. Good evening. How are you? You want to sleep now? You want to sleep now? You will go to sleep? Oh, very shy. Your brother is handsome. Hi, Love. Good evening, Love. Oh, okay, Chi. Okay. Do you understand the lesson tonight? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So we will have, okay. So tomorrow, we will, not tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow morning, we will continue about this. Okay. Tomorrow morning at 10 in the morning, we will continue this. Okay. Okay, Chi?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will continue this tomorrow morning. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
I will be seeing you tomorrow at 10 in the morning. Please don't be absent tomorrow, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So now, Teacher Ann will say, goodbye, Chi. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye, Love. Where's Love? Love, love. Oh, Hi. Oh, wow, you are writing. The color of your chair is blue. And cheese color of the chair is pink. I love the room. It's very nice. Oh, very nice. Okay. Is that the new one, Chi? Very nice. Okay. You are sleeping there and your brother is up.
Yes.
Yeah, the color blue is your brother and yours is color pink. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So bye-bye, Chi. See you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, love, love. Okay. Bye-bye, teacher. Okay. Bye for now. See you tomorrow. Oh, you keep on laughing. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.